This high-pass filter interactive calculator solves for various parameters in RC high-pass filter circuits. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate cutoff frequency, calculate required capacitance, calculate required resistance, calculate impedance at frequency, calculate gain and phase at frequency, and design filter for target frequency. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Cutoff Frequency. The input fields include resistance R in ohms, capacitance C in farads, cutoff frequency Fc in hertz, test frequency F in hertz, target cutoff Fc in hertz, and design resistance R in ohms. Let me show you a worked example. I'll enter a resistance of 10,000 ohms and a capacitance of 0.0000001 farads. After clicking Calculate, the results show the cutoff frequency is 159.1549 Hz, meaning frequencies above this value pass through with minimal loss. The angular frequency is 1000.0000 radians per second, and the time constant equals 1.0000 e to minus 3 seconds. The calculator confirms that at the cutoff frequency, output voltage is minus 3 dB, or 70.7% of the passband value, and frequencies above 159.15 Hz pass with minimal attenuation. This tool streamlines high-pass filter design calculations. Find the link in the description below.